in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us know. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan. If you're new, in today's video we have a unit sent over from Ashimary Hair. They sent over another 360 unit, and this is what she's looking like on the website, and then this is what she's looking like in person. She is a dark rooted balayage highlighted body wave unit, and if I'm thinking correctly, the color of the highlights on this unit are the ones that I'm always saying that I like this is the color that I like because I feel like it goes really nicely with my skin tone. They are offering this unit in multiple densities and lengths. The densities offered are 180% density and 250% density. Now I'm pretty sure I received the 180 because if that's 250, then no ma'am. Okay, but the lengths offered for this unit are 14 all the way down to 34 inches. Now I can't lie, I don't remember the length that I received. I just know it's either 20, 22, or 24. Please don't get mad at me. Don't shoot the messenger. I mean, I know I should know this stuff, but don't get mad at me, okay? What you can do is check down in the description box below because that will have a direct link to this unit along with the density that I received and the length that I received as well. Pulling this unit straight out of the box, as you can see, she does come with pre-cut lace. Now you do have the option to like get that pre-cut lace or not get that pre-cut lace. If you choose to get it, it is an additional $5. Mine did come with it, but like low-key, high-key, I sometimes wish they would like leave my lace on just because like, girl, I want to cut my own lace. Now, according to the website, this unit is said to come with a pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots. Now, I can see where someone went in and like pre-plucked their hairline, but as far as pre-bleaching the knots, I do feel like a better job could have been done. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side, and they are all removable. It also comes with a security band inside that is also adjustable and or removable. Again, this is a 360 unit, meaning you are going to have lace going around the entire circumference of the unit. So therefore, in the front portion of the unit, you're going to get a 13 by 4, meaning you're going to have 13 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. And then in the back portion of the unit, you're also going to get your lace. And I want to say you get about like 2 inches worth. Now on the sides of each of your units, you're going to have like a slight little curve, and they call them pre-ear shape. And it's basically just like a little contour area to go around your ear so you can have a better fit. Now keep in mind, everybody's head is not the same shape nor size, and everybody's ears are not in the same place. I mean, hopefully they're on the side of your head, but you know what I mean. What I'm saying is you may or may not have to go in and adjust those, so just be ready to possibly break out the scissors. So in the back of your unit, you'll notice about 3 to 4 clear lines, and those are what they consider the Invisi-Straps. These are basically replacing your traditional adjustable straps, making it a little bit easier to like, well, adjust your unit. In my opinion, this makes it a little bit easier to adjust the unit because I feel like with traditional adjustable straps, you have to like adjust your unit well before you put it on your head. Versus this type of situation, you can do it while it's on your head. All you have to do while the unit is on your head is either pull one or both ends of the clear string until you get the most comfortable fit. But okay, that is pretty much all of the specs that I want to go over in regards to this wig. Let's go ahead and throw on some music and install this unit, and of course I'll come back with my pros and cons towards the end.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. With the other side of day. It's true. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Ashimary Hair. We're going to start with my cons first, and the first one is going to be the density. Now, as I stated earlier, this unit does come in either 180% density or 250% density. I'm pretty sure I received the 180% density because there's just no way in this world that this could be 250% density. And there is a piece of hair. Oh, please. All right, we got it, I think. This unit, in my opinion, doesn't even really equate to 180% density. It's more so feeling like 150% density. The hair is very lightweight, and I'm not gonna lie, it's also very thin. So if you do plan on picking up this unit, I would highly recommend going for the 250% density. Hopefully you'll have more luck with that one. My next con about this unit is that I am getting some shedding, and I want to say, if not in every single Ashimary Hair video that I have, the majority of them, I keep speaking about the shedding of the unit. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm going to expect shedding when it comes to a wig because our own natural hair sheds out of our own natural scalp, right? Right. But what I will say is that, I don't know, it's just like almost every, if not every, wig that I receive from Ashimary Hair, I'm having some sort of shedding. So can we possibly work on that? My last and biggest con about this unit is that it is not big head friendly. Now, I will say in pretty much every single 360 unit that I've done, and I want to say, yeah, all of them for Ashimary Hair, I want to say that none of the units are ever big head friendly, and I'm just not understanding why. Now, in my opinion, I have never thought that 360 units are beginner friendly, but even with that being said, I don't know, I just feel like the last thing you want to have to work on when it comes to dealing with the wig is needing to go in and cut the lace in order for the unit to simply just fit onto your head. Had I tried to go ahead and install this unit as is, one of two things would have happened. Either it would have been squeezing the mess out of my head and then also giving me like an instant facelift because it would have been just like that freaking tight, or it would have been lifted up very high in the back. And who wants to wear a wig like that? With me going in and like cutting up into the lace on each side, that made it to where I was able to like take the frontal portion of it and pull it down a little bit. And mind you, I didn't even pull it down as much as I feel like I typically do with most of my wigs. Like, don't get me wrong, I feel like it looks good, but I had to like, you know, do some little tricks here and there. So like, I want to say the front of the unit is basically like almost right on my hairline, if not like maybe a few centimeters away from my natural hairline. And then here on the sides, I had to go ahead and pull out some baby hairs and create some baby hairs and whatnot just to make sure I covered up my natural hairline, like my edges on the sides. And then of course my sideburns are always, my edges and my sideburns are always something that I like somewhat struggle with when it comes to wigs, like as far as covering them up. But like, I had to do this in order to get this unit to just like fit and feel comfortable on my head. I hope I'm making sense when I'm saying this. Despite me going in and like cutting up into the lace, I was still actually also able to use, I was still also able to like go in and use the Invisi-Straps. I feel like there's another here, there we go. I was still able to go in and use the Invisi-Straps in order to like tighten the unit in the back. But I will let you guys know, I did take out the security band and I also took out the two combs that were here up in the front. I was this close to also taking out the back comb. I started saying the back comb in the back. The comb in the back, but I didn't take that out because I needed an anchor for the unit to like lay down. That way when I did go ahead and try to put the unit up, like despite me needing to go in and make these different modifications on the unit, I'm not gonna lie, I do feel still like, why can't I talk? I still do feel like the wig turned out really nice looking. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move into my pros for this unit. To start off, the lace on this unit is really nice. Like once I went in and added some foundation onto the top of the lace, I feel like it is blending in so freaking nicely. Another pro for this unit is the coloring of this unit. Like I stated earlier, these are the color highlights that I prefer because they go so nicely with my skin tone. But I also really appreciate the fact, the blend or the ombre effect from like the dark roots to the highlighted colors. Y'all, I cannot talk at all today. I just really like how it was done very seamlessly. Another pro for this unit is that the hair is extremely soft. I'm like intentionally trying to keep my hair out, or my hands out of it because it is so soft. I also want to keep my hands out of it so I don't make the curls drop even more. My last pro for this unit, despite me needing to make all of the different modifications in order to get it to work in my favor, I was still at least able to get the full 360 experience. Meaning I was still able to pull the unit up into a ponytail and or a bun, and it still looked good. But yeah, those are my thoughts and opinions about this unit from Ashimary Hair. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.